Good morning, students. Today we will discuss a real-life problem. An electrostatic field in XY plane is given by potential function. Phi of xy is equal to 3x square y minus y cube. Find stream function. We know that f of z is equal to u plus iv. It is or w is equal to pi of I psi phi. That is pi of xy plus I of psi xy. Here pi of xy is velocity potential. And the psi of xy is stream function. In this problem, given u, real part is given. We have to find out the imaginary part. The stream function is the imaginary part. Pi of xy is the real part. We can do the same problem. That is, here pi of xy is equal to u. Therefore, u is equal to 3x square y minus y cube. 3x square y minus y cube. First, you have to check whether the function is harmonic. To check whether the function is harmonic, we have to show that uxx plus uyy is equal to 0. Then ux. Therefore, 3 into 2x y. Then uxx. 6 into y. That is ux. Similarly, 3x square minus 3y square. Then uyy is equal to minus 6y. Then uxx plus uyy is equal to 6y minus 6y, that is equal to, therefore u is harmonic. Therefore the function u is harmonic. Next, you have to find out with the help of Cauchy-Riemann equations. We can find the value of v. Here v is stream function. Therefore, we should remember some results. Cauchy-Riemann equation, and here ux is equal to 6xy. Ux equal to 6xy. Uy is equal to 3x square minus 3y square. Then we take the first Cauchy-Riemann equation. The first Cauchy-Riemann equation, ux is equal to vy. Therefore, vy is equal to 6xy. Integrating with respect to y. We get v is equal to, when we integrate with respect to y, we get v is equal to 6x into y square by 2. That is 3x y square plus 3x y square plus here integrating with respect to y, we get 6x into y square by 2 plus a constant pi of x. That is 3. Therefore, v is equal to 3x y square plus pi of x. This is the imaginary part. When partially differentiating with respect to x, that is vx is equal to, partially differentiating with respect to vx is equal to 3y square into 1. Partially differentiating with respect to x plus pi dash x. Then we use the second Cauchy-Riemann equation. Second Cauchy-Riemann equation is uy is equal to minus vx. Here uy is equal to 3x square minus 3y square. Vx is equal to 3y square plus pi dash x. pi dash x. Here, minus 3y square, minus 3y square cancel. Minus 3y square, minus 3y square cancel. Then the balance portion, 3x square is equal to minus pi dash x. 3x square is equal to minus pi dash x. Therefore, pi dash x is equal to minus 3x square. Integrating with respect to x. Integrating with respect to x. Then we get pi of x is equal to minus 3x square by 2 plus c. Therefore, pi of x is equal to minus 3x square plus by 2 plus c. Therefore, the stream function psi is equal to v is equal to our stream function 3xy square plus 3xy square plus f of x. Here pi of x is equal to here we integrate this one. Pi dash x is equal to minus 3x square. We integrate this one. Integrating with respect to x. Integrating with respect to x, we get pi of x is equal to minus 3x cube by 3 plus c. Therefore, our stream function will be is equal to 3xy square minus x cube plus c. This is the final answer. Therefore, here ui is equal to minus vx, ui is equal to 3x square minus 3y square, minus of 3y square plus pi dash x. Common 3y square cancel. Therefore, 3x square is equal to minus pi dash x. Then pi dash x is equal to minus 3x square. Then integrating with respect to x, pi of x is equal to minus 3x cube by 3. 3 cancel. Therefore, plus c. Therefore, minus x cube. Therefore, the imaginary part here in this problem, imaginary part is stream function. Stream function is equal to 3xy square minus x cube plus c. This is the final decision.